Time for the second half. Score 24-22. Lamang ang white team, 2 points. Padula to ba yung kuan ba yung? Si kuan ba? Pa Alvin na to ba? Ay. Ha? Ah, Kalito. Gonzaga lagi. Gonzaga 2 points. Araw. Bang. Bang bang. Guys, ako ba ya? Oh, Samiliano. Gonzaga. Wah. Strong move.
Wala na isabon. Ito kay Tony. Wala. Puta ka bilog.
Foul.
May contact. Klaro-klaro.
Una yung hakbaro.
Pasko, klaro-klaro. Pasko, 2 fouls.
Pasqua. Dito na.
For the 15th time.
Edit mo.
Humingi ka pa ng camera.
Di-edit mo lang na shoot. Ah, ito.
Sekarang 15 seconds and klaro.
Screen na pre. Ay.
Tapon, ang layo.
Wow, si Mangkaw.
Number 15, Mangkaw, 2 fouls.
Ilang.
Last 13 minutes. Samiliano for the 15th time.
1 point.
Samiliano.
1 point sa Miliano.
Riban ha.
13 minutes na, 13 minutes
Last throw.
tayo.
Tuto. Wala kalulo. Wala kalulo.
27.
Ayaw.
Tanhusay.
Galaw.
Araw.
Araw. Bang bang. Grabe araw.
Bidlak tayo. 31. Bye.
Grabe.
Babiling violation.
Abiling. Bola balik ng green team.
Isa lang nag-3 sila, isa lang.
Score 30 all.
8 minutes and 20 seconds. Pangkaw.
Ikaw.
Nogon, rebound by Lino. Bidlak tayo ha. 30. Gonzaga.
Saga for 3.
Nogon.
Wala.
Rebound by
Lime.
Lime. Nogon. Kapon. Nogon.
Wala. Araw.
Araw.
Araw for 3.
Nogon.
Wala.
Tatlo.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Sunod.
Hindi, narinig ko time out eh.
Kaya pala.
11 minutes.
Wala.
Kaya pala.
11 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ilagay.
To end the second half. Official score, Bidlak, 30 all.
30 all.
Intercept. Pasqua, 3 points.
Pasqua 2 points.
Captain.
Three. Oh, wala.
Nagod, rebound by Pasqua.
Very 11. Pasqua. Jumper.
Bola out of bounds, Kuya.
Bola balik ng Tropang Ubor. Timeout, Green
10
Team.
minutes and 50 seconds.
Score 32.
When the second half. Official score,
Ayun, oh.
32-30.
Mga committee dyan.
10 minutes and
Lamang ang
50
Green Team.
seconds.
Lamang na yung Green Team. Coach Ryan, no?
May isa pa kayong timeout. May isa pa kayong timeout. Pakonsume nyo na yung isa. Okay, back to the ball.
Grabe Coach Ryan.
50 seconds. To end the second half. 10 minutes and 50.
Ilan na lang time out namin?
Sana lang. Nakonsume nyo na yung isa. Running score natin, 32-30. In favor of Green Team. Luna, pass to the line.
Ay. Gonzaga. Wala. Rebound Nunag. Foul. 2 free throws for Nunag. Magno first personal foul.
Running fouls. Green Team.
Free throw ni Nunag. 1 point. Both free throws. Ball. Mga tawag ng referee dyan. Mga ano yan.
14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Kuya, Orsapia.
Magno. Foul. Nakakakuha ng foul si Magno. Foul si Banay.
Dalawang highlights ko, no?
Oo, dalawang highlights. Kitang-kita yun. Wala. Saga again. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Roales. Ay. Muntik na magaw ni Baron.
16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Ay, contact. Oh, Magno.
Nice call, Ren.
Magno again.
Patuloy mo yan.
Magno, second foul.
Magno again.
9 minutes and 42.
Free throw ni Gonzaga.
10 minutes and 42. Gonzaga,
1 point. Lamang na yung white team ulit. Baron.
Oh, 9 minutes and 29. Running score 32-33. 1 point lead by white team. Oh, lumabas.
Bas.
Oh, 9 minutes tayo 9 minutes tayo. 29 seconds. And the second half. Last thread. 1 point.
Point. Foul. Magno again. Magno again. Third foul na ni Magno.
5 running fouls. Green team.
Tigilan mo na, tigilan na.
Sabi lang. Klaro-klaro. Kitang-kita.
linisan ba? 8 minutes and 45. Intercept.
Agaw ni Gonzaga. Wala. Agaw ni Parcon. To Roales. Roales tununag. 3 seconds violation.
Seconds, violation yan. Pasok.
Ah, Samiliano. Abel. Travel.
7 minutes and 20. Bigla tayo ah. 33 yan.
Duya pass to Mangkaw. Wala. Time out. White team.
Remaining times. 7 minutes and 1 second.
7 minutes. 33 all.
1 second. Remaining time for the second half.
Galumos na ka ato na.
Kita kay bay, kita kay to. Kato pong 3 seconds. Dugay na kasi 3.